Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Safe Travel RV. How many of you guys out there want to load up your RV and head down to New Orleans? Trust me, they did not go with us on this trip. But if your main goal is to go down and see the real New Orleans and stay off of Bourbon Street, then this video is for you. So let's go do that. So I'm going to break this video up into 3 parts. Number 1, when to go to New Orleans. Number 2, where to stay with your RV. And number 3, what to do when you get there. So let's get going. We have been to Mardi Gras in February, Jazz Fest the end of April, French Quarter Fest the second week of April, and even on New Year's. I can tell you, those are all great times to go. But we have discovered the best time to go to New Orleans is when nothing else is going on. It's just more laid back, it's not as crowded, you have more time to do things, and it's just a great time to go. So plan on going in the springtime or the late fall or even the winter for a great experience. So this is the New Orleans RV Resort and Marina. They have a hot tub, they have a pool, waterfront sites, on-site bar, and restaurant. They're 12 minutes from the French Quarter. You can take a shuttle or your own RV, and make sure to park here at 1205 St. Louis Street, the Basin Lot. It is within walking distance of the French Quarter. It's a very great place to park. Few people know about this. Okay, for more information on this campground, check them out at neworleansrvresort.com. So this is French Quarter RV Resort. They have full hookups, hot tub, pool. They're very close to I-10, as you can see right there, so you will deal with some road noise. But for the location, folks, it is awesome. As you can see in this overview here, you just walk right out of the gate, you hang a right. That empty field now has a condo complex there. You walk right through that parking lot I was telling you about where you can park. You go past the police station, down St. Louis Street, right into the French Quarter. You keep going, you hang a left, and you're right there at Jackson Square, so it's a great location. Everybody needs to do Mardi Gras at least one time. It's a great event. If you see those people in the background there in those stands, that's all reserved seating. You can buy tickets for that, and I highly encourage that you do it. Depending on which ones you buy, it'll give you access to food, to drink, and to private restrooms. It's well worth the investment to enjoy this incredible and sometimes crazy event. The New Orleans Jazz and Heritage Festival is held in April at the Fairgrounds Race Course. It's a great way to enjoy a lot of different local foods, a lot of different local bands. Just remember to bring a chair, and then the main attraction is generally in the evening. And our favorite music event, French Quarter Fest. It's a 4-day event. It's free. It features local music, food, and culture with over 20 stages in and around the French Quarter. Bring a chair and sunscreen. You'll be here all day. Cafe Du Monde is the best place to start enjoying the food in New Orleans. I highly suggest you book a walking tour so you can find all these hidden gems in New Orleans, like Little Dizzy's Cafe for authentic Creole cooking. There are so many places to eat, it's just mind-boggling. Do a walking tour, it's well worth the money. Do it the first thing when you get there, and you will have some incredible places to enjoy food and music while you're in New Orleans. Be sure to visit Jackson Square and explore the local artwork. Stroll through some old cemeteries by yourself or on a walking tour. Or you can jump on a streetcar from downtown and ride to the Garden District. It's a great way to see many parts of New Orleans. And do not forget to visit the World War II Museum. It's an incredible experience that will transform you back to a time in history that made America who we are today. If you're staying at the French Quarter RV Resort, set your alarm for 7 o'clock, hop on your bikes, ride through the French Quarter. There is no traffic, and your focus will be drawn to the beautiful Creole style French colonial architecture. Stop at Envy Cafe and have some of their espresso and pastries, or try their lox and bagels. It's a great little hideaway. For an incredible view of the Mississippi River and the French Quarter, visit View Orleans. It's 33 stories atop the Four Seasons Hotel in the downtown district. Okay, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you learned a few little tips and tricks on going to New Orleans. Just remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, safe travel.